If there was a main message, what would you think that would be in this work that you do?
The main message is that what you truly are is unchanging. It's pure awareness, it's ever present, and it's that which all phenomena arises from. So the thoughts arise from this and they disappear. The emotions arise and they disappear. The sensations arise and disappear. The experiences in life arise and disappear. But none of that is who we truly are. And what I would like most for people is to recognize this and to become still and become quiet and really reflect within and ask yourself, who am I? What am I exactly? And look within yourself to find the answer.